Hi, folks. I'm back really quick. I want to apologize. The last couple of things I did, I thought I had the whiteboard up and I was pointing to it while I was showing you stuff, but oh, dumb me. I was only seeing it on my screen. So this is going to be a quick little addendum presentation to show you this graphic that I've been referring to in the other recent podcast. And I'm just going to give you a quick run through. Let me turn this sound down. The things that I've been pointing to here to illustrate things. So the top graphic is basically shows you what a pyramid made of a stack of other pyramids looks like. You've got the top pyramid, and then you've got the next layer made up of a stack of smaller pyramids, and the next layer would be a stack of smaller pyramids. And this is basically the organization of the old version of heaven, the old version of a karmic heaven that didn't include this new concept of virtual souls and virtual universes. Okay, down below here is a graphic showing basically 4 tetrahedrons that represent the points of which represent the 12 levels of spirituality, of consciousness that I talked about. This one is the physical. The points represent, obviously, the physical 3 dimensions plus time that we experience in physical incarnation. The second is the spiritual, which represents 4 dimensions of spiritual awareness that we experience when we start understanding our spiritual nature and building up a spiritual consciousness that is our own unique summation of all our physical experiences. So you could think of each incarnation contributing to adding some color and dimensionality to our spiritual nature till it's fully fleshed out, and we hit the 8th level of consciousness, that is where we're ready to attempt to become a god of some particular idea, specialty that we've developed throughout all these physical incarnations. The final tetrahedron represents the 4 levels of godhood that I talk about. To reach the level when this God self is fully fleshed out, of being a full-fledged senior creator, the active creator of our own universe, where we can propose ideas as a senior creator that we have tested in our universe, and for integration into the prime universe, which was the original universe of physical creation. Okay, I think I've given you enough of a heads up that you can follow this one. I'm gonna up this one in the as to what's a priority message, apply to all, and hopefully people will get a notice of this new episode first, and this will set the stage for some of my other recent ones. Again, I'm sorry, I thought the whiteboard was going to be visible on your screen like it was on mine. Oops, I don't understand Minicam as well as I hoped I did. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this up. Like, share, subscribe, and again, very sorry for the last few discussions maybe not being as clear as they should have been, or lack of having this graphic to point to. Thank you.